How to check recently downloaded apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Go to the recently added folder as shown. Tap on the folder to open it. You will find all the recently added apps over here. Alternatively, go back and open up the App Store application. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Apps. In the All section, you can view all your apps sorted according to the date they were downloaded. Following these steps, you can easily check recently downloaded apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.